Welcome to Passware How-To video set. In this video, we will show you how to recover and remove passwords for QuickBooks databases. Click Recover File Password and browse for your QuickBooks database. Wait for the Passware Kit to analyse, patch the database and create an unprotected copy of your .qbw file. The decryption is performed within a few seconds. Password Kit displays the account names, resets the passwords, and shows the link to the unprotected copy of the QuickBooks file. If you also need to recover the original password, click the Recover link in the warning message. Customize the password recovery settings in accordance with the information about the missing password. Here we go. You can now use the recovered password to open the locked QuickBooks database.